How to disable feedback notifications on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable feedback notifications on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer and then just click here this settings icon in top corner, and then scroll down until you find this one, notifications. And then scroll down until you find this one, my feedback. And if you want to disable it, all you need to do is just click on it, and as you see, feedback notifications have been disabled. Now you need to wait 2 days. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.